about how to make your garden feel more welcoming. Well, we know that art and water features show up in the sunlight, but at the evening time is when we a lot of times entertain. So there's other ways that you can light up your yard so that in the evening you can enjoy it as well. And that's very important on welcoming people to your yard. One of my favorite types of lighting are these solar-powered light rocks. So they actually look just like a rock, and you put it in your garden, and they have a little solar cell on the top that charges all day in the sunlight, and then as soon as it gets dark, it turns on all night, and it has its own energy. So I'm not even using electricity. And I can find them in most garden centers right now and online. And I just think they're just an easy, economical way to light up your garden. So my solar-powered rocks actually don't give out real intense light, so I still want to add some lights that have more power to them in my yard. So that's easy. I have an electrical outlet right in front of the house, and I've just put the wires under the deck out to these little tiny lights. And they're very bright, and they're on a timer as well. So they're usually only on from about, in the wintertime, 5 p.m. to about 9 p.m., and then they go off. So every evening my garden is lit up, and I can enjoy it for the evening, even in the wintertime. And even in the summertime, I'll even set out candles all over my garden when I'm having get-togethers. And they're easy. I put them right on the stepping stones, and it's a great way to illuminate your garden. Next, we're going to talk about wind chimes.